Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to learn a new letter. Let's begin. Look everyone, this is capital D. Capital D. Next we have baby of D, which is small d. Small d. Let's hear the sound of D. D. Can you hear? D. Dog. Sound of D is D. D. Now, let's see which words begin from letter D. Which animal is this? Dog. D is for dog. Say with me, D is for dog. Say spellings of dog with me. D-O-G, dog. Next we have donut. Donut. D is for donut. Do you like donuts? Say with me, donut. Let's see next what we have. Duck. Duck. D is for duck. Can you tell me the color of duck? Yellow. Good job. Next we have door. D is for door. We open and close the door. Say with me, the door. Good job. Next we have dolphin. D is for dolphin. Dolphin swims in the water. Say with me, the dolphin. D is for dolphin. Now let's do an activity. What is this? Dolphin. Dolphin starts with which letter? G, F or D? D. Good job. Dolphin starts from D. Next we have drum. Drum. Drum starts from which letter? S, B or D? D. Drum starts with letter D. Good job. Which animal is this? Dog. D is for dog. Dog starts from letter D. Let's watch a video on how to write capital and small d.
Capital D. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. Small d. Start from the middle and draw a small C. Then go to the top and draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom.
Great job, my students. You did amazing today. Practice letter D at home. See you in next lecture.